To get started, go to your Penpot account settings, then open integrations and look for the MCP server section. From there, enable MCP, generate your key and copy the server URL. Then, in your MCP compatible AI client, add Penpot as an MCP server using that URL and key. And once it's configured, open the Penpot file you want to work with. Inside Penpot, go to the File menu, choose MCP Server and connect. Now your AI client and your Penpot file can start talking to each other. A good first test is to tell me the name of the selected board in Penpot. If the agent can answer, you know it's working.